In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your organization account in Goodday. We'll walk through the essential navigation you need so you can confidently access and manage your organization settings. Even though the actions are simple, it really helps to know exactly where everything is and what to expect on screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Goodday workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually either your avatar or your initials, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This icon is the gateway to all your personal and organization related settings, so it's good to get used to accessing it from here. After clicking your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you want to look for the option labeled Account Settings. Click on Account Settings to open your main account configuration page. This area is where you manage everything related to your user details, preferences, and access to organizations or companies you belong to in Goodday. Once the account settings page opens, look for the section related to your organizations. It may be labeled something like My Organization or My Companies, depending on the version or configuration of your account. This section groups together all the organizations or company workspaces that you are part of. Think of it as the central place where you can see which organization you're connected to and access its management options. Click on the My Organization area to open the detailed view. Here, you'll see your organization listed, often with its name and possibly some basic information. This view helps you confirm that you're working with the correct organization, which is especially useful if you belong to more than one. Next, look for the Manage option associated with your organization. This is usually displayed as a button or link next to the organization name. Click on Manage. This action takes you into the management panel for that specific organization, where you can configure organization level settings, adjust details, and access administrative tools, depending on your permissions. And that's it. By clicking the profile icon, opening account settings, navigating to the My Organization section, and selecting Manage, you're now in the right place to handle all your organization account management in Goodday.